A Foley's catheter operates by the principle of A. Osmosis, B. Gravity, C. Diffusion, D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Gravity. The term glossitis refers to A. Inflammation of gums, B. Inflammation of tongue, C. Inflammation of stomach, D. Inflammation of oral mucosa. The right answer is B. Inflammation of tongue. A IV solution of 0.45% of sodium chloride is called A. Hypotonic, B. Isotonic, C. Hypertonic, D. Isometric. The right answer is A. Hypotonic. The formula for pulse pressure is A. Systolic minus diastolic, B. Systolic plus diastolic, C. Systolic plus diastolic bar 2, D. Systolic plus diastolic bar 4. The right answer is A. Systolic minus diastolic. Abrasion refer to A. Lacerated injury, B. Rubbing of skin, C. Tear skin, D. A mole on skin. Right answer is B. Rubbing of skin. What is the other name of Bryan traction? A. Russell traction, B. Gallo traction, C. Buck's traction, D. Spica traction. The right answer is B. Halo traction. Leukocytopenia means A decreased WBC count, B. An increased WBC count, C. An increased platelet count, D. A decreased platelet count. The right answer is A decreased WBC count. Wassermann test is used for diagnosis of A. Gonorrhea, B. Genital warts, C. CA cervix, D. Syphilis. The right answer is D. Syphilis. What is the other name of closed chest drainage? A. Water seal drainage, B. corrugate drainage, C. two-way drainage, D. airtight drainage. The right answer is A. Water seal drainage. What is the chemical name of plaster of Paris? A. CaSO4, B. CaCl2, C. CaOCl2, D. CaCO3. The right answer is A. CaSO4. A substance that is released around the site of inflammation is called A. Plasmin, B. Histamine, C. Erythrocytes, D. pus. The right answer is B. Histamine. Which bacteria is responsible for dental caries? A. Bacillus calmette, B. Bacillus acidophilus, C. Helicobacter pylori, C. Corynebacterium. The right answer is B. Bacillus acidophilus. EDTA refers to A. Ethyl diamine triacid, B. Ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid, C. Ethyl disaccharide tetraacid, D. Ethyl dopotriamine. The right answer is B. Ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid. Which position is favorable for intravenous pyelorrhaphy? A. Left lateral, B. Trendelenburg, C. Supine position, D. lithotomy. The right answer is C. Supine position. The incisional site of lower tracheostomy. A. Above the isthmus of thyroid, B. Below the isthmus of thyroid, C. Between 2 to 3 tracheal ring, D. Between 3 to 4 tracheal ring. The right answer is below the isthmus of thyroid. The bandage applied for the head is called A. Capline, B. Circle, C. Spical, D. Spiral. The right answer is D. Spiral. The oxygen saturation is measured by A. Oximeter, B. Manometer, C. Thermometer, D. Sphygmomanometer. The right answer is A. Oximeter. The best method for sterilization of syringe is A. Autoclave, B. Boiling, C. Hot air oven, D. Radiation. The right answer is C. Hot air oven. Paraffin bath is used for the purpose of A. Burn, B. Edema, C. Abdominal distension, D. Rheumatoid arthritis. The right answer is D. Rheumatoid arthritis. Somnambulism refers to A. Walking in sleeping, B. Standing in sleep, C. Talking in sleep, D. Deep sleep. The right answer is A. Walking in sleep. Administration of medication underneath tongue is A. Sublingual, B. Transdermal, C. Subcutaneous, D. Buccal administration. The right answer is A. Sublingual. What do you mean by idiosyncrasy? A. Side effect of drug, B. Low effect of drug, C. High effect of drug, D. Unexpected effect of drug. The right answer is D. Unexpected effect of drug. The purpose of inserting flattest tube in rectum is A. Removal of distension, B. Removal of stool matter, C. Cleanness of colon, D. To give enema. The right answer is A. Removal of distension. Trichomonal infection caused by A. Virus, B. Fungus, C. Protozoa, D. Spirochete. The right answer is D. Protozoa. The major physical finding of malaria in laboratory is A. Splenomegaly, B. Low hemoglobin, C. Elevated sedimentation rate, D. Hepatomegaly. The right answer is A. Splenomegaly. The most common nosocomial infection is A. Coryza, B. Urinary tract infection, C. Infectious diarrhea, D. Tuberculosis. The right answer is C. Infectious diarrhea. What is the temperature of water used for cold sponging? A. 50 degree Fahrenheit, B. 70 degree Fahrenheit, C. 80 degree Fahrenheit, D. 90 degree Fahrenheit. The right answer is B. 70 degree Fahrenheit. Tarry black stool is sign of A. Rectum bleeding, B. Hemorrhoids, C. Hepatitis, D. Bleeding in upper GIT. The right answer is D. Bleeding in upper GIT. What is the meaning of rigor mortis? A. Body stiffness after death, B. Body stiffness before death, C. Body stiffness during fever, D. Body swelling after death. The right answer is A. Body stiffness after death. The anticoagulant which is used during blood collection. A. Acid citrate dextrose, B. Citric acid, C. Codeine, D. Heparin. The right answer is A. Acid citrate dextrose. Which are all primary color? A. Yellow, green, red, B. Red, green, blue, C. Red, white, blue, D. Green, blue, black. The right answer is B. Red, green, blue. Inflammation of tissue surrounding nail is A. Paranoia, B. Corns, C. Wart, D. All of the above. The right answer is A. Paranoia. Botulism is A. Insect bite, B. Scorpion bite, C. Food poisoning, D. Mercury poisoning. The right answer is C. Food poisoning. Chart used to test visual acuity. A. Elbin's chart, B. Snellen chart, C. All of the above, D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Snellen chart. The first mammary secretion is called A. Prolactin, B. Lactogen, C. Relaxin, D. Colostrum. The right answer is D. Colostrum. A weak bulgy spot in a blood vessels is known as A. Aneurysm, B. Diverticulum, C. Collateral artery, D. None of the above. The right answer is A. Aneurysm. The art of feeling with hand is called A. Percussion, B. Palpitation, C. Palpation, D. Auscultation. The right answer is C. Palpation. Amputation bed is also known as A. Open bed, B. Fracture bed, C. Divided bed, D. Cardiac bed. The right answer is C. Divided bed. Pediculi found on head is A. Pediculus corporis, B. Pediculus humanus, C. Pediculus pubis, D. Pediculus capitis. The right answer is D. Pediculus capitis. Cloudy appearance of urine is due to presence of A. Albumin, B. Protein, C. Amorphous phosphate, D. Ketones. The right answer is C. Amorphous phosphate. Hot water application is contraindicated in A. Appendicitis, B. Hypothermia, C. Hyperthermia, D. Muscular pain. The right answer is A. Appendicitis. Structure of solid is investigated by A. Gamma rays, B. USG, C. X-ray, D. MRI. The right answer is C. X-ray. The first step of nursing process is A. Planning, B. Doctor consultant, C. Assessment, D. Nursing diagnosis. The right answer is C. Assessment. Eye padding is applied on unconscious patient is to prevent A. Dryness of eye, B. Corneal ulcer, C. Blinking of eye, D. Eye movement. The right answer is B. Corneal ulcer. Fruity odor in urine is due to the presence of A. Uric acid, B. Bile, C. Sugar, D. Ketones. The right answer is D. Ketones. The substance which give color to the feces is A. Bilirubin, B. HCl, C. Pepsin, D. Stercobilin. The right answer is D. stergobilin. Who discovered Orgage factor? A. Alexander, B. Fleming, C. Landsteiner, D. Marconi. The right answer is C. Landsteiner. The length of the rectal catheter to be inserted into rectum for evacuated enema is A. 1 to 2 cm, B. 2 to 4 cm, 3 4 to 6 cm, D. 6 to 8 cm. The right answer is D. 6 to 8 cm. The size of the red blood cell is A. 7 micron, B. 17 micron, C. 70 micron, D. 0.7 micron. The right answer is A. 7 micron. Lipoma refers to A. Cancer of bones, B. Cancer of adipose tissue, C. Cancer of ligaments, D. Cancer of blood. The right answer is B. Cancer of adipose tissue.